Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are cleaning, cooking, decorating, maybe doing a little bit of baking, just honestly getting everything done before Christmas, trying to get into the holiday spirit a little bit more. We are decking the halls today and I am so excited to bring you the motivation. Let's jump right into it. We are starting off here in the master bedroom. We're going to be doing obviously decorating here, and we are also going to be decorating a little bit more in the living room. And I'm also going to be cleaning and sharing a soup recipe with you guys near the end using some homemade bone broth that is really good, especially during this time of the season. I feel like everyone and their house and their dogs are sick. Let me know if it has hit your home yet. It did hit ours a few weeks ago, hence why I was making this soup. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get lots of motivation for you guys today.
These are the good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. I think next year I'm going to look at getting some flocked garland for in our master bedroom here, as I didn't really like how that was kind of turning out. It looks beautiful at night, but during the day I feel like it just looks not very real. So we are going to spice that up next year, but for now it's okay. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. Been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes.
Okay guys, in my last video I don't know if I shared it actually, but my sign fell off on top of my bed there. And I have been searching Etsy for like the perfect Christmas, I want 3 signs to hang up above our bed, and I seriously can't find them anywhere. I've been seeing them all over like Instagram, actually only on Instagram, not here on YouTube yet, and I just can't find them. So I'm still on the hunt. Stay tuned. I will share that in a future video if I can find them. I'm like super picky. I want something very specific, but I'm really excited and I hope that I can find it because it would just make the room. So right there in the middle, the and sign fell off, which is so funny. There's like a massive hole in the wall. You can kind of see it there. Whoop, zoom in for you. Right there, and then that's a nail, and then that is another hole. So yeah, that's what we're dealing with. But just picture like 1, 2, 3 instead of the letters, it would be the signs. I plan on getting rid of those letters and then changing like the frames to, you know, hold the season, so whatever season we're in. And yeah, I have big envisions for the decor here. I also kind of have a small addiction. I got my new NYX order in. So this is a comfy lounge set, and then this is some more underwear and a bra that are like the perfect green for Christmas. I am really excited about them. Stay tuned. If you're not following me over on Instagram, I will actually be sharing it over there.
These are the good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and me. The fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again.
I really wanted to incorporate my daughter's cute little paintings that we had done during our homeschooling day the one day. So I thought it would be really nice. They were actually gone this day. So I thought it'd be really nice for them to come home and see their beautiful artwork like displayed as part of our Christmas decor. They were truly so excited, and it just melts my heart to, again, just be able to incorporate that. And I know it's not Pinterest worthy, so to speak, but you know, that's not what it's about here in this house. We're all about being real and authentic and trying to not get all caught up with the Joneses, so to speak. And so I'm really happy with putting these out on display here. I know one day when they grow up, I will miss it. And so yeah, the whole house was pretty excited to see that with these little Christmas trees added in. Eventually, I do want to set out our Christmas village. We do have one, although I haven't quite decided yet if I'm going to put it out this year, as I don't have a spot for it in this home. And I'm thinking next year by this time we will be in a new house. So stay tuned if you are not already subscribed. There was going to be a lot of incredible motivation. I am also, sneak peek, launching a decluttering series coming up really soon that you're not going to want to miss out, and the first to know about it will be actually over on my email list, which is linked down in the description. So now that that is decorated there, we're going to go ahead and just vacuum. As we all know, sparkles somehow just end up everywhere when we're decorating for Christmas, and so let's go ahead and get this floor vacuumed.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day.
I also have this homemade bone broth that I just pulled out of my freezer. And as you can see, it's still got like a solid chunk there. So we're gonna have to let it simmer all afternoon. Okay, so I got it all in the pot. I'm going to quickly chop up some carrots and get them put in here, and then I'm going to let it simmer all afternoon.
Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
All right, carrots are in. I would normally add celery and like real ginger and turmeric, but I don't currently have it. So this is what we're getting. Again, I'm gonna let it simmer all afternoon and I will check in when it is done. A few hours later and it is all done. How amazing does it look? Smells delicious.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside.